Welcome to Automod Racing. This is a 1991 Chevy Camaro that we're about to do window tint and custom striping on. Stay tuned. Okay, we completed this 1991 IROC Z, a very clean car. We installed this decal, black and silver. And we tinted the back window in limo and the front doors in 20% dark. That's the IROC Z sticker that we installed, and 20% dark tint on the back, and decal in here to the back. Very clean car, folks. Cleanest car that you would ever find. This kind of paint job is about $10,000. No waves. It's like glass. This is the kind of paint job that you guys want from Automod. Okay, that's the 1991 IROC Z Camaro.